Caesar 1.6.4 Omnibus rebus ad profectionem comparatis. Now what does that sound like to you? Ablative, ablative, ablative. Once all matters had been prepared for departure. Beautiful. Ablative, absolute. Right there. Noun or nouns in the ablative, modified by participle. In this case, perfect past participle, modifying it. And it's got a nice sandwich effect on the prepositional phrase inside of it. Lovely. They set a day. On which day? So this is one of those cases where you could put a period there, start this like a new sentence, and instead of saying qua, you'd say haec. On this day, to the bank of the Rhone, everyone should gather. Notice this a, so this is the subjunctive mood. Okay, so what's happening is this is a relative clause, but it's as though they put an ut there, and this had become a relative clause of purpose. So it is a purpose clause, but it's introduced by the relative pronoun instead of ut, which is the usual conjunction. This day was, here we go, Roman calendar, ante diem quinque calendas Aprilius. So this is 5 days before the calends of April. So the calends of the April was the 1st of April. They counted on their fingers. So you count backwards from April. What comes before April? March. I think there's 30 days in March, maybe? It's hard to say with the Roman calendar. So the calends is the first of the 5 days. So April 1st, March 30th, March 29th, March 28th, March 27th. March 27th. Now this, Lucio Pisone aulo Gabinio consulibus. Another ablative here. And in this case, you could go do it both ways. You could call this an ablative absolute. When Lucius Piso and Aulus Gabinius were consuls, or time when, because it states when. So that is how you indicate the date of the year in Latin, because they don't have numbers. So you have to know the order in which everybody was consul in order to know what year it is, which is interesting because in that way, just knowing the time is an elite procedure.